In a stern message to his party members, Rajnath Singh has written a letter asking workers to use the correct version of the party symbol. Rajnath Singh mentions how the party symbol, which is the lotus, is being put out in different colours, whereas the real symbol is a colourless one. But is this an attempt to go secular, or is this just a poll gimmick?
तो हमारा चुनाव निशान था, वही चुनाव निशान है जो ईवीएम पर जिस तरह का चुनाव का निशान आता है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कमल का फूल, उसमें उसकी लाइन जो है वो कुछ हल्की होती है। तो कई बूथ स्तर के कार्यकर्ताओं की, कई पार्टी के हमारे पदाधिकारियों की इस बारे में सुझाव आया कि कई बार मतदाता ये कहते हैं कि साहब कमल का फूल जो है ईवीएम के मशीन पे बहुत साफ दिखता नहीं है, धुंधला सा दिखता है। तो हमने चुनाव आयोग को उससे रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि जो कमल का फूल जो ईवीएम मशीन पर होता है, उसकी आउटलाइन जो होती है वो थोड़ी सी गाढ़ी कर दी जाए, ताकि वो कमल का फूल साफ तरीके से दिख सके, जो चुनाव निशान है हमारा। इसलिए हमने जो है वो जो रिक्वेस्ट की थी उसको चुनाव आयोग ने मान लिया है।
बस एक छोटा सा मिसरा एक शेर का सुना देता हूँ, काफी होगा कि बदलता है रंग आसमां कैसे कैसे। पावर का जो लोभ और लालच है वो किसी इंसान को और किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को कहां से कहां तक पहुंचा देता है, ये इसकी एक जिंदा मिसाल है। इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना।
Well, Aishwarya Kapoor is joining us on the phone line now. Aishwarya, is this being seen perhaps as an attempt by the BJP to embrace a more secular sort of an image?
Well, though BJP claims that their symbol has rather officially always been a colorless symbol, but we have always seen BJPs even in their party offices to have a saffron and a green lotus flower as their party symbol. Yes, it is being seen, especially after a lot of allegations which have been levied on the party of communal factor to have a black and white symbol, to have a more secular approach. But at the end of the day, BJP also claims that yes, there was a lot of confusion within the people when they actually used to go to vote, because whenever they used to see officially at the EVMs, it is a colorless lotus. Thus, now they are making it official, and now they've also given guidelines to their complete party cadre that whenever a party flag or a party symbol has to be used, it has to be a colorless black and white lotus with a broad line. But at the end of the day, party also understands that in the present scenario, when there are a lot of allegations of communalism which are being levied on the BJP, to have a colorless symbol, to have a party symbol which has no color, whether it is saffron or green, yes, it is being perceived by many political watchers to have a more secular approach as far as the 2014 elections are coming. But at the end of the day, BJP's official line is that to rather dismiss all speculation and to dismiss all confusion which prevails in their voters, they have now officially made their party sign as a colorless lotus.
Absolutely. Aishwarya Kapoor reporting on the story. Thank you for joining us.